Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is a video presentation for my CSC508 assignment 1. I am Muhammad Nabil Ashraf bin Muhammad Rozaini and my matrix number is 2023115671. So this assignment requires me to develop an inventory application using both ArrayList and LinkedList. The application must include calculating sum, average, mean and max, copy or move object data within the ArrayList and LinkedList data structure, and then search and display. Now, let's look at the code. So I have 7 different classes of code. I'm going to talk about the ArrayList class and the ArrayListException class first. ArrayList class provide method for adding, modifying, and removing elements. In this assignment 1, I specifically use the get number method and also the insert and method to insert item into the ArrayList. So while ArrayList class provide method on managing the elements, ArrayListException helps to handling runtime error within the ArrayList class. The net classes are Node, LinkedList, and EmptyListException. Node class used to create and represent a single element in the LinkedList. So this leads us to the LinkedList class, which represent the whole data structure of LinkedList. It also have different methods which allow us to manage and execute action of elements inside the LinkedList structure. Methods such as insert at back, get first, get next, and remove and remove current is really important to make this application works well. Next, the empty list exception helps on handling the linked list when it's empty by provide a default error message here. Moving on to the jewelry class. Jewelry class used to represent the object jewelry. It have 5 different attributes which are name, material, style, price, and quantity. Jewelry class also have a basic method which are the constructor, the setter, the getter, and the toString method. This class basically allowing the creation of the jewelry objects. So the last one is the main class. So I started the main class by initialization the scanner to receive input from the user, and then I also initialize the linked list and the array list class called jewelry array and the jewelry list. The user have to insert the details of the items based on the numbers of item that they already inserted earlier. So in the same loop, the jewelry object will be created and it will also store into the jewelry array. So after inserting and collecting data into the array list, the program will go through into the jewelry array and copy all the jewelry item and insert them into the jewelry list, which is a linked list data structure using insert at back method. Then the program will enter the while loop and display a menu to the user. So the menu contains 5 different options on action that the user wants to execute. I use J option pane to display the option. Based on the option, the program will call the selected functions here. So the first function, the program will call the display all method, allowing user to see the full list of items inside the linked list. On the second function option, the program will execute function to calculate and display details related to the item, which include their total sum, average, means, and max. The third option allowing the user to search specific data based on the item name and then display all the information on that specific item. And the fourth item, if user want to remove any specific data in the linked list, the user only need to input the item name that wanted to be removed. And the last one, option 5, is for the user to exit the program if the user don't want to use it anymore. So noted that all the functions basically use the method from the linked list, and I also do an object casting inside every function. Now let's run the program and see the output. So let's say I want to insert 3 different items. So the first one is ring, set all the informations. Second item, the third item, so the option menu will be displayed. So let's say I want to display all items, I just pick one, and here you go, it display all the item. So the second one, let's say I want to display details of their sum, average, and min and max. So I just choose 2, and it will display the details. And then the next option, the search option, I just pick 3, and I have to insert the jewelry name that I want to search. Let's say I want to search pearl necklace, and here you go, it will display the pearl necklace. So let's look at the next option, which is remove specific items. So I just choose 4 here, and then see here, I have to enter jewelry name that I want to remove. Let's say I want to remove the item number 3, sapphire earring. So I just insert their name, make sure the name is similar, and here you go, the item is removed. To prove this, you just display again all items to see whether the item that we remove is removed. So sapphire earrings here, there's no sapphire earring anymore right here. So now if I want to exit the system, I just choose 5, and it will exit the system. Thank you, good day. So that's all from me. Thank you.